Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is BrokeGirlaesthetic. On this channel, I do budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips and hauls, trashy treasures, and more. Today I'm working with some new products from BeebeeCraft, and I'm going to create some stuff with them. There's going to be a couple more videos, so stay tuned for those, but let's check out what I've put together today. I've got some new stuff from BeebeeCraft. I've got some beads and this red macrame cord. I am a BeebeeCraft ambassador, so they sent me this stuff to play with, and these beads have little hearts like engraved into them. I thought we were going to be perfect to make some Valentine bead garlands with. And I also went ahead and got these other heart beads, and they're like you thread through the side, so it'd be like for a bracelet or whatever, but I'm going to use some of those in another one. But for this video, I'm just going to use those engraved heart beads and the red macrame cord, and I'm also going to use some of these other ones that I also got from BeebeeCraft. They're the I don't even know, shaped. They're not exactly hexagonal, but I don't know, whatever. So, and I am going to use some of my other wooden beads that I have in my stash. These are just plain wooden beads. So I'm going to go ahead and get to working on that. So what I'm going to do here is prep the beads for color, and I'm going to use the folk art home decor chalk paint in white Adirondack, and I'm going to use the bright red from Apple Barrel for a few of these shaped beads. Now I'm not going to use a whole lot of them, opting more for the regular beads and the heart beads. So I'm going to grab out a few of these, and they are about the same size. I want to say they were 20 millimeter. I'm not quite sure, but I think that's right. So I'm using the same size, but I'm going to paint the round ones in the white Adirondack. So I've got those painted, and while they're drying, I'm going to go ahead and make my tassel, and I'm using this red macrame cord that I got from BeebeeCraft. I'm trying to collect a lot of different colors of it. So I make a lot of bead garlands. What can I say? I really like them. As you can see up there in the upper left-hand corner, I have one handy or sitting out already for Valentine's, but I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around a few times. Bead tassels are pretty much all the same anywhere, I think. So, and I think this is a 3 millimeter, so I'm going to go ahead and jump to that. Here is the finished tassel. Now, I think I brush it out later, but I haven't done that yet. So, I know I have, yeah, I did brush it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and start getting these beads threaded. And this is it's a cotton twine that my mom had given me. I can't remember where she picked it up at, probably at the dollar store. So I'll just go ahead and start threading those in. And I'll just speed through this because, I mean, it's threading beads and it's nothing special or significant, I guess. So I just keep kind of going through a little pattern, white then plain, then white then plain, and then add a squarish one. And as you can see, it actually did turn out ending up to be pretty long. So I'm going to tie them together, and then put the tassel on, so it's like a loop. I just didn't feel like putting a tag on the other end. I didn't want it to be, I don't know. I just felt like doing something a little different with it. So I'm just going to go ahead, knot this, and then tie the tassel to the end of it. And that's all she wrote. Just a real simple, easy bead garland. And again, this is that kind of thing where you don't have to just use it for Valentine's, you know. If you have red in your decor, you can just leave it out, you know. And hearts, I mean, hearts don't have to be just for Valentine's, right? So there it is. I just want to make sure that I secure all the little knots and things with some hot glue, You know, using the beads to also help secure those knots and stuff so it doesn't fall apart. And then I can just leave it out. There it is, finished. And let's take a final look at these. I really like it. I think it's a little different than the usual, and you know, good for all year. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will make sure to leave a link to the products on the BeebeeCraft website. Yeah, I think it's cute. I appreciate you guys stopping in. If you haven't already, would you consider hitting that subscribe button for me? I'd really like to continue helping my channel grow through 2022. Thank y'all so much for watching. Take care. Bye.